how to inspect a crane to ensure its safety on site. In this training session, I'll answer this question in detail. You need to understand inspecting a crane for safety is a critical process that safeguards workers and the construction site's integrity. I'll guide you how you can conduct a thorough crane inspection. But you need to remember, prior to start, before you begin crane inspection, you need to consider two important points. Number one, gather information. Start by collecting essential documents, including maintenance records, load charts, and manufacturer guidelines. This information provides insights into the crane's history and specific maintenance requirements. Number two, safety precautions. You need to ensure that you and your inspection team wear the necessary personal protective equipment PPE such as hard hats, high visibility vests, safety gloves, and steel toed boots to protect yourself during the inspection on a construction site. Now, the most important part of this training session is what to inspect and how to inspect a crane on site. Point number one, exterior inspection. You need to begin with the visual examination of the crane's exterior. Look closely for signs of rust, corrosion, or structural damage on the frame, boom, and counterweights. Check that all access doors, panels, and covers are securely fastened and functioning properly. You need to inspect the condition of the wire ropes, searching for wear, kinks, or broken strands. Examine the wire rope drum for signs of wear and tear. Number one, and for most important part of the crane inspection is exterior inspection. Point number two, tires and wheels. Carefully inspect the crane's tires for proper inflation, damage, or excessive wear. Ensure that the wheels are securely fastened and in good condition. Number three, fluid levels and leaks. Verify and record fluid levels, including hydraulic oil, engine oil, coolant, and fuel. Ensure they are at appropriate levels. You need to inspect the ground beneath the crane for any signs of fluid leaks, such as hydraulic fluid or oil. Mostly, the safety officers ignore or forget this point, but this is very important. Point number four, controls and instruments. Test all crane controls to confirm they respond promptly and operate correctly. Verify that all instruments and gauges are functional, displaying accurate information. Number five, electrical components. You need to examine the electrical components such as wires, connections, and switches for signs of wear, damage, or exposed wiring. Ensure that all lights and signals, including hazard lights and warning signals, are in good working order. Number six, hydraulic systems. Inspect hydraulic hoses and fittings for leaks, wear, or damage. Operate the hydraulic functions to evaluate their performance, ensure smooth and precise movement. Point number seven, boom and jib inspection. You need to carefully inspect the crane's boom and jib for visible damage, cracks, or signs of excessive wear. Check all pins, bolts, and connections for tightness and proper securing, paying special attention to any load-bearing components. Point number 8, load charts and their capacity. Review the crane's load charts to confirm that its load capacity aligns with the specific job requirements. You need to ensure that load charts are readily available inside the operator's cabin for reference. Point number 9, safety devices. Methodically test all safety devices, including limit switches, anti-to block systems, and emergency stop buttons to ensure they function correctly. Point number 10, operator's cabin. Inspect the operator cabins for cleanliness, organization, and any signs of damage or wear. You need to verify that all controls, gauges, communication systems, and the operator's seat are in good working condition. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. Today, we are discussing about how to make thorough inspection of a crane on site. Point number 11, verification of documentation. Confirm that all maintenance and inspection records are up to date and readily accessible for review. Document your inspection findings systematically, including any defects or issues discovered. Point number 12, load test. If the crane has not been used recently or has undergone significant repairs, consider conducting a load test to assess its stability and safety thoroughly. Point number 13, post inspection actions. Address any issues identified during the inspection promptly. This may involve performing necessary repairs, maintenance, or replacing components to ensure the crane's safety. Conduct a final inspection to confirm that all identified problems have been resolved and the crane is safe for operation. And the last point, point number 14, operator training. Emphasize the importance of only allowing trained, competent, experienced, and certified operators to use the crane. Ensure ongoing training and certification updates are in place. Dear friends and fellows, remember, crane inspections should occur regularly, ideally following a predefined maintenance schedule and before each crane operation. When faced with complex issues or uncertainties regarding the crane's safety, consult with a qualified crane inspector or engineer to ensure the utmost safety on your construction site. Safety should always be the top priority when working with cranes. You can prevent or avoid crane accidents if you will follow these 14 points. In addition, you need qualified and certified riggers, rigging and lifting equipment, as well as lifting plan and the presence of lifting supervisor or lifting appointed person. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Good luck and goodbye.